must now package a documentary called Anti-Sanctions. What is your programming in respect of post-elections? If you delve into that. And post-elections can be sport. What is now happening to post-elections programming as far as sport is concerned? Your programming should include Zimbabwe back on national team business.
Of course.
There was the two.
Right.
My frank, straight out. I'm not running away from things. Tell me if you don't want to do it. Won't get a couple because of what you are. I'm never going to treat you with kid gloves. You're not a kid.
No, I'm not.
I'm just looking at some good enthusiasm. Nothing to pick up yellow, white, black. And to introduce some eyelashes, introduce some powder. So, you don't deserve
but should it be mixed with work though? The pleasure of it.
Both.
So the pleasure has to be mixed.
Yeah, you don't separate the two.
Wow. Okay.
We are never going to separate the two.
So if I don't do it, I'm going to go home.
You go back to Blawa, not home.
Right.
You go back to Blawa. I'll send you back to Blawa.
So no bedroom, no.
When I
go back to Blawa.
I'll send you back to Blawa. And I'll implement it.
No,
you want to see how to do it.
Okay, the first point of it I need to put in the work. I do understand it though.
You want to talk about the bus? Would you find the bus? Because what work are you putting in? You want to work?
Yeah.
Independence to explain. Do these things start? Do you want to start with the other color?
Papa Niskuram.
In ZBC, it's a typical top management technocrat. Dodo deserves to get paid. You don't. For crying out loud, you don't deserve pay. I'm there for you, protecting me, for which you're not appreciating. What is silly in the morning.
Because I just wanted to understand that is any guarantee
and you are concentrating on the less important issues of the whole issue. Those are the least important issues of the whole issue. The critical issues is what I'm talking about now. And you've not done.
Alright. So if I
don't just talk about being a lion. I am a lion.
Right. So what if I do put in my work? What if I do put in my work then and I
that means that you can't separate the two. This is
so I was supposed to.
It's loud and clear.
So I was supposed to go and have sex in order for you to. And I should.
Why are you shouting about that?
I'm not shouting. I'm just
do the right things right.
Right.
Simple. Simple, and you can't bend news. You can't separate the two. Never think about separating the two. And please, I told you, stop thinking. This is a knowledge economy.
Wow.
This is a practice economy.
But
I've shouted about practical realities of life.
Alright. But I can't put in my work. If
you can't take that advice, these lions will maul you.
Okay, let's
I want to.
Alright, let's negotiate then.
I want to maul you. I want to. I'm not missing my words.
So you want to devour me?
You being you.
Right.
Yeah. You are not anyone ordinary to me.
Is it because I'm a pretty girl? Is that it?
No.
What is it then?
It's not because you are pretty. It's because you have become special.
In what sense?
In the way you are behaving. And I want to deal with that.
Special in what way?
In the way you are behaving. Yeah. In the way you are behaving. You.
Well, but negotiate. I'll put in my work. Maybe you think you
can tell me that you will being
you can negotiate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can negotiate. What are you putting on the table?
I just say that I'll put in my work.
And that's what advice I need.
Yeah. But look, as my dad.
I didn't advice. I'm doing this sport here. Typical lights out. Need that proper clear direction. Yes, it's my job, and I'm the fundi, I'm the more experienced, I'm the more educated.
Yeah, that's why we come to you, Gavati, for us to be better broadcasters. I'm very fresh in the broadcasting.
Yeah, but
and I wouldn't want to be lost in broadcasting.
Was where you being you. You're not the ordinary person guiding around. Are you?
I wouldn't.